my fellow makeup enthusiasts. Welcome back to my perfectly healthy expression of makeup enthusiasm. And I know it's been a minute, hurricane hoopla, end of semester stress, internship interviews, internship follow-ups. I did get the internship that I was hoping for, so yay. Blah, blah, blah. I've been gone for a long time. I suck. I'm a bad YouTuber. I'm really sorry, but I'm really glad to be back. I am a little bit out of practice, so I thought that I would resume my YouTubing with something that is very familiar to me and very near and dear to my heart. So I'm going to unbox my No Make No Life for the month of May. And there was a little something else that really prompted me to unbox this on film. And I'll show you. So most monthly subscription boxes come with some kind of little pamphlet or a little card, and I usually pretty much throw those over my shoulder and I don't read them when I watch other people's videos. I kind of skip over that part. I don't hate on it or anything. Don't worry, I'm not hating on you if you do that, but I find it kind of boring. I just want to see the goods. This one is actually kind of useful because every now and then they send you a really nifty little tool that maybe we don't have here in the States, and so you need a little description. So I do actually find this pamphlet to be useful. And this is also kind of useful because a lot of the ingredients and the instructions on the packages will be in Japanese. I don't read Japanese. I can say maybe 3 words in Japanese and they're all sushi related, but this can be useful because it's in English. I speak English fluently most of the time. But what made me so happy this month is I'm in it! Ah! That's me, and that's me. Ha! So to the powers that be over at No Make No Life, if you are watching this, thank you so much. That really seriously made my day. Let's go ahead and get into this lovely box. And the first thing that I'm going to grab is a package of nail art. Unfortunately, I got really excited when I opened this and I put them on. So let's see if I can show them. And I put them on my toes just because I figured that they would last longer. Pedicures last longer than manicures. Am I the only one who notices that? I think not. I think we all know that. Can you see that? I will insert a photo. Anyway, they're cute. They didn't stay on very well. They stayed on my big toe and the second toe, but then the others kind of fell off. So I wouldn't say that they're great quality, but you know, it's fun. I'm not super into nail art, but hey, you know, I would never buy it for myself, but I'm happy to use it, and this is fun. And the theme of this month's box is Sakura. Please tell me I'm saying that right. Sakura? Shakira? Japanese cherry blossom. And so everything kind of has a sakura, I'm gonna just say Japanese cherry blossom. A Japanese cherry blossom theme. There's a soap. I'm going to use this as soon as I use up the soap that we got last month, and I don't think I filmed a video for that. I didn't, no, I didn't, because I was being lazy. Anyway, we got this cute little kind of cheesecloth type wash rag that helps your soap foam, and that's really lovely. So as soon as I use up the soap that we got last month, I'm going to put this in that bad boy and use it. It smells really nice. And I feel like a prize idiot for not using the foot mask before I did the little do-it-yourself pedicure, but I'm gonna try this probably later tonight, maybe tomorrow. It's not one of those weird masks that makes your foot peel in sheets, which is a little disappointing because I'm a little bit curious about that because I really love gross stuff like that. Let's see. Here it is. No, it doesn't say what the scent is, but I'm assuming it's cherry blossom. I'm hoping it's cherry blossom, but honestly, I don't think I've ever received any product from No Make No Life that did not smell at least pretty good, so should be good. And then we have a face mask. This is a cherry blossom Sakura. See, you can tell that I'm out of practice because if I were in my groove, I would have looked up the pronunciation before I sat down to film. Bad Lainey. Anyway, this is supposed to be anti-aging, skin revitalizing. You would think that that would be really, really appealing to me because of my concern over wrinkles. If you watch me at all, you know that I don't tend to use sheet masks. I don't tend to like them. So I'm going to be doing a sheet mask giveaway. Finally, we have this adorable little Rapunzel set that is a cherry blossom scented bubble bath body cream, and it comes with this cute little shower poof. I love Disney. This made me so, so happy. And I did use some of the body cream last night. Let me pull it out. It's very thick and it's pretty luxurious. If you smell it just in the jar, it has kind of an off-putting milky note. At least it's off-putting to me because I hate milk. But once I put it on my hands, it smelled really lovely. So I am in love with this. And then I haven't had a chance to crack open the bubble bath yet. I will crack it open now. Do you really want to see me suffer through trying to peel this off? You don't. Anyway, I'm sure it smells just as nice as the body cream, and I will take a bath with this tonight. Oh, and I completely forgot to do the explanation. I figure that if you're watching No Make No Life unboxings, you pretty much know what it's all about, and you've pretty much heard $29.99 ships from Japan, all authentic Japanese products. You get a bath or body product, I think a bath and a body product, some kind of makeup product or a nail product, a tool of some sort. Sometimes they send hair products, not all the time. I kind of appreciate it when they don't because my hair is unruly and picky. Although they did send a hair perfume one month and I love that stuff. Anyway, if you want to know all of the details, the link to the No Make No Life website is down in the description box and you can certainly discover that for yourself. Did that sound rude? I didn't mean to say like, do it yourself, bitch. I was just saying, you know, you're an adult. You can click the link if you want to know more. I'm assuming that you probably know all that you need to know to be interested enough to watch a video. So sheet masks, I am going to go ahead and include this sheet mask from this month. I have the My Melody sheet mask, that's so cute, but I just don't use these things, from a couple of months ago. And then these two, I think were from earlier in the year. None of these masks are more than a few months old, so it's not like I'm pulling sheet masks out that have been sitting in my drawer for years. This is a mochi face mask, yes. And this one is a Choco Mint. That's my favorite ice cream flavor. That makes me sad that I'm afraid to use it, but I am afraid to use it. I'm paranoid about zits, and sheet masks almost always make me have zits. So I will be including these 4 cuties, and I think I may go pick up maybe something a little bit more luxurious, like maybe Tatcha, or don't quote me on that because I think you have to order them and I don't know that I'm willing to do that. I don't know, the giveaway is going to include 5. I will be filming a whole video where I explain the details of the giveaway probably early next week, so stay tuned for that. So that wraps it up for today. As always, thank you so much for watching. Throw me a pity like, give me some encouragement to make some more videos. Follow me on Instagram for lots of selfies and cat pics, and until next time, stay adorably obsessed with makeup.